This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating index, HTML and styles, CSS. This organizes code and separates concerns. Open index, HTML and add the minimal HTML5 scaffold, then link to styles, CSS so styles apply. Insert a centered container div to hold the logo and search form. It keeps layout predictable. Add an img for the logo and a form with an input type equals text and button type equals submit. Once done, save and open the file in a browser to confirm the structure renders. Now you style the layout with CSS so the page looks like a clean home page. Apply display, flex and center the container both vertically and horizontally. Set height to 100 VH so centering fills the viewport. Style the input with a comfortable width, padding, rounded corners, and a soft box shadow to mimic material depth. Style the button with the brand color, white text, and subtle hover state. This makes the UI feel responsive. Make sure to use rem or px consistently so spacing scales predictably. To finish, add interactions and accessibility so the page behaves well. Give the input a visible focus state and the button a hover style. This guides users and supports keyboard navigation. Make the layout responsive with max width and a media query so small screens get a full width input. If things go wrong, clear the browser cache and confirm the CSS link path. Then open DevTools to inspect computed styles and console errors. Once everything is corrected, test search forms, submit behavior, and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.